Thinking about becoming a certified ethical hacker? Hold up. Before you take the CH exam, there are 10 crucial things you need to do. Welcome to HackProof Academy, your go-to source for cybersecurity mastery. Hit that subscribe button and let's get you CH ready. Subscribe like HackProof Academy. Most people fail the CH not because it's hard, but because they skip these 10 simple prep steps. Don't be that person. Stick around till the end for a free CH study resource that could boost your chances by 70%. Top 10 things to do, main content. 10. Understand the CH blueprint. Start with EC Council's official exam objectives. Know what you're being tested on, from footprinting to cryptography. 9. Set a study schedule. Treat it like a mission. Break topics into daily goals. Consistency wins the race. 8. Use official study material. Treat it like a mission. Break topics into daily goals. Consistency wins the race. 7. Practice in a lab environment. Theory without hands-on equals failure. Use platforms like TryHackMe or Hack the Box to simulate real-world attacks. 6. Learn the OWASP Top 10. You'll face tons of questions on web vulnerabilities. Know them like the back of your hand. 5. Watch video tutorials. Visual learning boosts retention. Use platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn Learning, or HackProof Academy to reinforce complex topics. 4. Take CH practice exams. Simulate the test environment. Aim for 80% plus consistently before scheduling your real exam. 3. Join cybersecurity communities. Reddit, Discord, LinkedIn groups. The best tips come from those who just passed. 2. Master time management. You get 4 hours for 125 questions. Practice pacing. Don't get stuck on tough questions. Stay mentally ready. T's not just technical, it's mental. Stay calm, rest well before the exam, and trust your prep. Download your free CH study tracker and checklist. Link in the description below. It's your roadmap to passing on the first try. Smash that like button if you learned something new. Drop a comment with your CH exam date. We'll cheer you on. Subscribe to HackProof Academy for weekly cybersecurity content, ethical hacking tutorials, and career tips.